She's held together with duct tape and prayer, a coat of rust and a seat with no spare. Her engine coughs like a chain-smoking bear, but I see gold where others see despair. I've got wrenches and a wild-eyed scheme. This jalopy's gonna gleam. From Rusty to Racy, I'll make her shine. Gonna soup her up, give her curves divine, with grease on my hands and hope in my spine that rust bucket will be mine, all mine, all mine. The neighbors laugh, call her the trash can, but they don't see my master plan. Chrome hubcaps, flames painted by hand, she'll turn heads across the land. Oh, her muffler may rattle, her headlights may weep, but under the grime is a soul to keep. She's more than a car, she's my dream to reap. I'll polish her up while the whole town sleeps. From Rusty to Racy, I'll make her shine. Gonna soup her up, give her curves divine, with grease on my hands and hope in my spine that rust bucket will be mine, all mine, all mine.